Hi, Frank from Voxxi. Let's talk calendars. I get a few questions about calendars and how do they work. So it's simple. Calendars work on dates. So I'll show you. I'm going to go into secret pizza recipes. And within here we have two applications. One's called Making Pizza, and the other one is Pizza Suppliers. So I'm going into Making Pizza, and I have three records in here, each with a picker. Now, as you can see, we have a date on the card here. So this is to end on the 22nd. So let's go into the template first of all and see how we get the date in there. So I would be dragging a date over and putting it in place, and then I would make sure that show in calendars and show end date if I want the end date to appear, or hide the end date. And from there, I'll just cancel out of here. I can open the record and we can see that it's from the 20th to the 22nd, and it's not started, it's on the blue status. So let's just go into calendar, and you can see there it is, it's on the 20th to the 22nd. Now I'm just going to move that over to Saturday the 22nd and have it through to the 24th, because it'll give me something to do on the weekend making pizza. And I will, let's go back and have a look at it in card view. We can see that it's changed to the 24th here. If I go into the record, we can see that it says 22nd to the 24th. So it's, the drag and drop has worked. We can also drag it over here into preparation. As you can see, it's changed colors. And if I open it up, we're going to see that down here it's in preparation. And if I go into card view or calendar, we'll see that it has changed colors as well, as you can see from there. So I'm going to click on it within the calendar view. I'm going to put it back to not started. I don't have to click anything. I can just click outside, and there it is. It's done. And we can go back to card view, and we'll see that it's back in place. So that is a quick overview of how the calendars work. Oh yeah, look, well, the other thing too is, of course, this is to do with this group, and you can go in and look at calendar for all that group. I can go into this organization in the settings and look at the organization calendar, which will show me things from other groups that I'm involved in. And as you can see, I've got multiple organizations here. I can go up to this calendar and it will show me everything from all my organizations and all the groups that I'm in. So you can have a look at it from 4 different angles. I hope that helps. All the best.